Hi guys! I got a package. I didn't expect this today. I don't know what's inside. It doesn't say anything.
Smells good, Dad.
Yeah, I know. And I know where this come from too. So let's unboxing. Do the unboxing. Okay.
Okay.
Where's the scissor? Scissor. There's a scissor. Can I have a scissor, mommy? Just my camera is not. Okay. So. Ing. Mo na ka nag-order.
Sabot.
Oo.
Dali good.
Lagi, saan man eh? Speed
Where
X man
it came from?
Speed X, but I didn't expect from Speed X. I don't know what's this.
Kasi mo na courier sa kuan.
No, Speed
Okura.
X from na magaling gibutan ko sa address.
I think that's the Okura already.
Bangstown. Huh?
By the look of the plastic.
Yeah.
Look like from that. That's
Okay, let's open it.
That's consistent with the the pants design. Looks similar.
Yes, meow. Oh.
Doesn't say where is it?
Doesn't say it's coming from Japan. I ordered it from Japan.
See, I told you.
Wow. Crafted for a lifetime. Ing. You know what it is? It's Okura.
My first Okura.
My first Okura
piece.
what's this one? Cookware. So let's have a look. If this is consistent of what they advertised in the Facebook. Oi.
It's heavy.
Okay.
It's heavy. The handle.
There's the handle. Allah.
That's fine.
The handle. This is. Oh.
Oy.
Oh no! I lost the ball. I lost
What
the
is
hand
it?
now.
The nut.
So this is what they said on
It's
the.
important. You're not.
Mga nilang giyon sa kwan mo may
But it's
basa
heavy, Dad.
sa review
Yeah, that.
that we
need
have to assemble the handle.
So you should have prepared all that.
Okay. Yes.
But it seems heavy.
No, I don't think it's heavy. I don't know. Maybe this one is just
I
from.
thought it's a titanium.
I think this is just from the dollar shop.
I thought titanium are light. Oh, because there's a glass lid. The
I
cover.
don't know. Just the titanium though.
Good, you pick the thing with cover, Dad. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it with cover.
Ba? Nah.
But how much is this one? 170?
Yeah, 170.
It's pricey though.
See?
What?
Wow.
How's
This
the
is
weight? Is it heavy?
Just.
Uy, heavy! For that size of frying pan.
We got the certificate here. It's a thank you. Okay. Alright.
It didn't take long to arrive.
That's all. So,
It is says this came from Japan. Okura cookware, crafted with intention, design for
Do we still have,
for those who cook
Mami,
with care.
do we still have a dried fish?
Oh, design. It says designed in Japan.
See?
Deal
Made
to
in,
last.
made from where?
Piece free. It's just designed in Japan.
Yeah, but made from.
For that.
Mami,
Designed
have,
in Japan.
do we
See?
have-
Designed in Japan. Responsibly packaged.
do we have dried fish? Buwan?
No. Yeah,
I,
it's in
I
the
will
fridge.
I will cook buwad for this one. Sampula na nato nagluto buwad.
Itlog. Ano na to? Mudikit ba?
It's $170, guys. So I don't know if this is worth it. They said it's a titanium and belt for
Built to last.
built to last. I don't know.
Quality wise, ang box alone is so heavy. Very thick. Quality wise. Like you can really. Oh, so TI.
Titanium.
It says pure titanium for all cooktops.
Base
Dishware
ng
safe
lubot ray
lifetime
titanium man eh.
warranty. Pure kuno titanium. Okura.
Oh, may karon now I didn't see the handle. So there's no handle for this. Okay, Okura, hashtag Okura. I got a missing handle for the lid.
Ah, it's there.
No, wait.
No, that one.
Oh, sorry, Okura. I
I
got it
missing
here in
piece.
the separate pouch. Okay.
Okay. I think this one is another piece.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that this came from, made from.
I don't know.
Which?
Is that really from Japan? I don't know.
It says designed.
Just designed in Japan, but it's not made in Japan.
Crafted.
I expected that it's made from Japan.
It's a pure titanium cookware inspired by Japanese tradition, built for precision and everyday durability.
So how this one's gonna work? Like this?
Oh, you have to scan here for first use tips and care instruction.
Tell me, it's like this, like that. No, may rubber. What's this rubber for?
You check the instruction.
Okay. Oi! Oh. Damiyaw na.
Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you.
Arigato kusodai.
Arigato gozaimasu, Konodad. Thank you. Your trust means everything to us. This piece was crafted to last a lifetime. We hope it earns a permanent place in your kitchen. Your exclusive offer. Thank you. Oh, exclusive offer. 10% on your next order.
Is that real?
For real?
Or it's...
I don't want something with a handle. So on your next kuan, you just imura na siyang ibutang ang thank you 10. From Okura team. Apil ba na din, ha?
Yeah. This is...
Really, Dad?
I'm not sure. Okay.
Diara, oh. Kana asa man na day siya. Extra?
That's extra, yeah.
Ah, okay. Put it. Pareha rin ni Salad Master. Salad master pod bitaw.
Normal mas.
Titanium ang pod to. US to si Japan.
Design in Japan, made in China.
Agad to pod di ay design in US, made in China gyapon.
Yeah.
Ag salad master.
Yeah.
Hey, meow, no.
So I get that.
Okay. Bad meow. Why you very naughty now? Very naughty. Tam, you want to come on in? Man, come here.
Okay, so maniging sa review, sakto dun sa review nga ikaw pa yung magasimbola ni pati ang candle.
Dili ang kanya naka-lisod.
Yeah, it's not, but it's supposed to be assembled already, no? And then, so that
Di kay for kuan man na di for delivery purpose kay dili na mo arang ni anang lisod kag arang ni aning nanay handle na daan dako na po imong box.
okay.
Napos is a certificate.
Certificate of what? Thank you.
The certificate of originality. Kanang nga kuan jud sa legit. Legit ning imong face.
Ano yung kuntong na lugar?
Ano diha kung arang ba siya. Pit pag adyo, maadyo si jadi. No, pwede
I
na.
don't know. Let's try. Let's cook a buwad. Okay? Buwad rin nila to. Okay? Okura Premium Titanium Cookware. Pinagbaka ni. Is it real? Let me know in the comments what's your experience about Okura cookware. That's all guys. Bye.